Fabulous Friday, everyone. This is Maxine. I am a natural self-care advocate, and I use love and kindness for healing, along with nature, mastering nutrition, and movement. Today is day 4 of Ramadan, and I just want to know how you're doing. For me, I'm learning so much about myself, so much about this beautiful process of surrendering, of thinking about others, and of being of service. It is Friday. It is a fabulous day. And I'm just here to remind you to be your own best friend, because sometimes, you need to be your biggest cheerleader. I love you. Self-care. You are so worthy. I've joined my friends this year to partake in Ramadan, and today is day number 5. Day number 4, I would say, was my most exhausting day. I felt sluggish and fatigued. But you know what? That was yesterday. Today is a new day, and we get to do it all over through experience. That's the beauty of life. Life always gives you another chance, because you know what? All we have is this moment, so we make the best of it, and we learn from it, and we do it over and over. Self-care and management of your thoughts and your emotions. It's the difference between winning and losing. Plus, you are worthy.